Punta kaming grocery na naman. May binili. Wala yung hash brown. Kaya kumain na kanina. Kundi. Sarap. Salad na may croutons na honey. Mustard honey. Ano to? Nawa ko lang po mga lab kanina. Partner namin chicken. Nabunlis kang chicken kanina. Para madali maluto.
And there she blew.
You want cake, Han?
Hmm?
You want cake?
Yeah, but I'm finna wash that table off outside.
What table?
On the deck.
I'm going to help you. Wait for me. I follow.
What'd you say?
I follow you. I'm going to help you.
Okay.
But I'm going to wear the other one shoes. The work shoes.
This is the only table. This is the only one that was up there.
Mm-hmm.
I should have bought another one.
Where?
Put it outside on the table.
Oh, the deck.
Yeah.
I help you there.
Yeah, eat first.
Wait for me there. Mmm. Did not buy the
You know the
for the leaves.
Hmm?
We did not buy for the leaves.
Did not buy for what?
The paper for the leaves that we're going to put.
That's at Home Depot. That's at Home Depot. Oh boy.
It's good grapes that mix in the salad.
Mm-hmm.
I put cheese here, the one cheese of Ariel upstairs. You want your cake?
Hmm?
You want now or later?
When I
Or you want
finish
ice
outside.
cream? But if you eat ice cream, no cake anymore, ah.
Mm-hmm.
What's your sugar? See, it's more cheaper when you make your own salad.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is more cheaper.
Mm-hmm. I'll leave that to chicken for you. For your salad. You can put also hard-boiled egg this one. Para pa ganitong pagkain. Daming halo mga lab. Daming gulay. Halo. Mawid na mahulot. Yung manok na luto ko. Bitin ang isa. Patay na isa.